Thank you, Sala. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'd like to talk to you guys about our project management. A few items in our management are scopes, deliverables, project organization, and schedule. With that being said, what is our scope? The scope is to deliver a prototype for a deployable solar cell that allows for rotation, which means we'll have a small module that will fit inside the cube, will allow, which will allow us to deploy the booms along with the solar cell. Now, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our deliverables. Uh, as you can see, we have a few items which have specific dates required. Our preliminary design review, final report, weekly agenda, prototype wing, a prototype deployable solar cell fixture, and an integrated platform with altitude control system, and lastly, an operation manual. Moving on with the project organization. Our team consists of Jason as our team leader that will work on the hardware architecture, next Sala with any of our resource consultant, Andrew with boom design and technical support, Benjamin with solar cell folding methods, and lastly, me for the electrical parts and control system. Now I'd like to talk to you about our schedule. Currently, we are on schedule. As you could tell, the red light indicates the current time, the current day. The black lines just indicate that the progress of that specific key event has been accomplished. And now I'd like to introduce to you our leader, Jason Lin. Thank you, Jason. For our boom deployment methods, we have two optimal options for the deployment, either motorized or tension. Both work very well. There are some pros and cons for each of them. For the motorized deployment, we have the ability to control the deployment at any speed we'd like. Um, and for the tension, there is not really any controllable mechanism yet, as you could tell in that picture right there, that when it's released, it's all of its energy is released all at once. Where in our case, we would like to be able to control the deployment of the solar cell to avoid any tears or damages to the cell. With that being said, now I'd like to invite Benjamin